Hello, grade 8 learner! Welcome to another video lesson in mathematics where we will be discussing an application of a theorem on triangle inequalities. This lesson is based on the K-12 curriculum competency. The learner illustrates theorems on triangle inequalities. It's another great day to learn, so prepare your pen, paper, and module as you start watching and learning from this video lesson. For this lesson, refer to your Quarter 4 Math module entitled Inequalities in Triangles. For this example, we take a look at the figure and compare the measures of the following angles using symbols such as equal, less than, or greater than. We begin by observing the figure and identifying the angles that are indicated in the statements we are comparing. We have angle ABC, angle BCD, and angle CDB. Let us process what we know. Before discussing the theorem we are going to use to answer this problem, we first have to know the angles we are studying. One of the angles we are studying in this problem is an exterior angle of the triangle. An exterior angle is formed by extending one of the sides of the triangle, like so. In this figure, the external angle formed is angle ABC. Another type of angle we are studying in this figure is the remote interior angle. It is an angle found inside the triangle, hence the adjective interior. This is not adjacent to the exterior angle. In the figure, given the exterior angle ABC, the angles inside the triangle BCD are angles CBD, BDC, and BCD. But the interior angles which are not adjacent to the exterior angle ABC are angles BCD and BDC. The theorem we are going to use to answer the problem is the exterior angle theorem. This states that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the corresponding remote interior angles. The other theorem we are going to apply for the problem is the exterior angle inequality theorem, which states that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of each of its remote interior angles. Now that we know which theorems to apply, we solve the problem. First, we identify the angles that are indicated in the statement we have to compare. To complete the statement, we apply the exterior angle theorem. Here, we are comparing the exterior angle to the remote interior angles. From what we understand from the exterior angle theorem, we know that the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. For the second statement, we are going to apply the exterior angle inequality theorem. In this statement, we are comparing the measure of the exterior angle to the measure of the remote interior angle. From what we understand from the exterior angle inequality theorem, the measure of the exterior angle is greater than the measure of its remote interior angle. For the last statement, We are also going to apply the exterior angle inequality theorem. In the statement, we have the exterior angle and the remote interior angle. From what we understand about the exterior angle inequality theorem, we know that the measure of the exterior angle is greater than the measure of its remote interior angle. Let us now state our conclusions. Referring to the figure, we found out that the measure of angle ABC is equal to the sum of the measures of angles BCD and CDB. We also found out that the measure of angle ABC is greater than the measure of angle CDB and that the measure of angle ABC is greater than the measure of angle BCD. Congratulations for finishing this video lesson. Now apply what you've learned by answering the activities in the activity sheet. Happy learning! We'll see you again in our next video lesson.